Morning guys, it's Saturday, it's about 8 a.m. and it is time to put some seed down on the putting green. So thanks for coming back, by the way. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with how the putting green renovation is going, see how the seed's coming in and whatnot. But yeah, first thing is I gotta scalp this down because I don't have plant growth regulator. So I'm gonna shave it right down. Throw some seed on that too, but my primary focus is this side. And yeah, I'll top dress it with some peat moss and see how we're looking at that point. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I got this cut short, which is good. I'm gonna go get some seed and start spreading it out. I'll show you what I'm using, what kind of seed it is, and yeah, let's go. Now, this is the seed I'm gonna be using. It's creeping BentGrass. I've used it before on this. It works awesome. But traditionally, I have been spreading this by hand. It worked fine. I'll post a clip of the old putting green. But this time, I want to try one of these guys, little Scott's hand spreader, just so I don't get any clumping. Test it out, make sure I get even distribution of the seed, because I don't want to waste anything, so the seed isn't cheap. But yeah, try this out. Let's go. Way better than doing it by hand. So I'm gonna see if I can flip this camera around and just show you the coverage that it did. Try and give you a close-up without it getting blurry, but we'll see how it goes. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but all of that is seed. It's not actually clumpy, that's a little anthill. But see all those little guys? That's the seed. Spread it pretty good. Okay, so it's time to get some peat moss on this. You guys can actually see my DIY peat moss spreader in action. Okay, so I just gotta go empty that thing out, reload, but as you can see, that did it extremely quick. I love that thing. So yeah, I'm gonna reload, do this half over here, and then that'll be it. All I have to do is water it in after that and wait. Let's get at it. Okay, so now that that's done, all I gotta do is water it in and wait. So yeah, looks pretty good. Hope you guys can see that. It's all covered up, whatnot. Seed should be okay. It's supposed to be hot this coming week, but I'm gonna be on watering this by hand just to make sure that seed doesn't dry out. So let's water this in. Okay guys, so that about does it for this one, but let's just take a look. As you can see, it's pretty good. Not too shabby. Yeah, So that does it for this one. So again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with how the seed's growing in. I will keep you updated. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below if you have a question about anything. I'll get back to you. We'll see you in the next one.